DQ mini treatment.
Sprinkles,
Chill Bill, and Mini Daddy.
today we're gonna be giving people a mini spa treatment.
Let's go!
Mini treatment!
This is not a drill. This is not a drill.
How you doing today?
I'm doing great.
Great,
We
great.
got a little mini surprise for you. That's
Really?
Blizzard for you.
Wow.
For you.
Mini surprise for you.
That's pretty good, ain't it?
Okay.
That's pretty good?
Yeah.
Well, guess what? At DQ, good just ain't good enough.
Good just isn't good enough.
We're gonna surprise you with a mini spa treatment! Mini spa, girls! Come on, that mini spa! Oh! Yeah! What?
Feels good.
Is that good?
Yeah.
You
You guys
doing
are fabulous. This blizzard treatment's amazing.
It's kind of nice.
Thanks, guys.
You just got the mini blizzard treatment.
We just made your day, didn't we?
You made my day.
All right.
All right,
She just got that mini treatment.
Challenge. DQ. On to the next